Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 13th, and we're going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar yen monthly, we're definitely going up pretty strong right now, but I still think this move up is likely a correction to the last move down. I still think it's either a wave B or a wave 2. This is either a wave A or a wave 1, and eventually we will likely go down for either a wave C or a wave 3, like I've been talking about for what seems like months. Heading down to the weekly time frame looks pretty impulsive up, doesn't it? I was thinking for a while that this was possibly already the end of an ABC right here, which I still think that it might end up making a lower high and starting a downtrend for the wave C. But we're definitely trading with the flow, which means we probably should be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame. Now, technically, the trend is down until it breaks this high right here. There's no structure other than that. But as you can see, that we are definitely going up. And so the market flow is definitely up. But while we're looking for longs on shorter time frames, we need to be paying very, very close attention to these Fibonacci retracement levels for a possible reversal back to the downside. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, so I would only be looking for longs on the shorter time frames, unless I saw a double top and a breaker structure at any one of these fib levels. I would be doing nothing but looking for longs on shorter time frames. If and when I see this picture right here, I would definitely stop looking for longs, and I would definitely stop looking for shorts again. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, like I said, definitely only looking for longs. Definitely would not be trying to go long now. I would only be trying to go long at the end of 1, 2, 3 wave pullbacks, which has definitely been plenty of 3 wave pullback opportunities over the last few weeks. So like I said, definitely wouldn't go long, definitely wouldn't go short. I would be waiting patiently for more 3 wave pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.